Okay, guys, so this is just a bit of a mini lesson today of our expectations for Monday here. So, last week we worked on creating some data and doing a bit of experiment. We're going to do a little bit more of that today, but we're going to be making some statements on the data that we're getting. Now, what I've got for us to do here today is that you're going to be running 3 experiments each using a simulator of spinning a color wheel or flipping a coin. All right, now here are the 3 levels here that we're going to be looking at. Okay, this is going to tell you which experiment you're going to be running. Now, I just want to show you through the experiments and how they work. Now, this is the coin toss. Up here, you're going to write down the number you're going to be doing, which is going to be 50. Then you can click on the toss them, which is going to toss the coin 50 times, just like that, automatically. And it's going to give us a randomly generated result of what would have happened, what could have happened if we'd have flipped a coin 50 times. Now, here it gives us the ratios here as a fraction and as a decimal. Here in a table, it will give us the heads, the tails, and the number of tosses. And here it also shows us a list. Okay, now, once you've done this, come in here and record them. Now, this is going to be for experiment 1. This is going to be for experiment 2. And this one here will be for experiment 3. I want you to write one statement for each experiment. And we've talked a lot about those statements and what we expect of those statements. So we want you to get in there something that you're noticing about the results in that table. Okay? The number of heads flipped was this over this many tails in experiment 1. In experiment 2, there was a significantly larger percentage of tails flipped than heads. So making a statement of what you're noticing about the data. Now, this goes the same for the spinners. I just want to show you guys here how this spinner works. Okay? Again, we're going to write in the number 50. Now, depending on whether you're in Yuzma or you're in Cusco, you can reduce the amount of colors on the wheel. In Cusco, you've got 6, and Yuzma, you've got 10. Okay, we can now spin the spinner, and it will tell us in 50 spins, here is the count each color got. Here is a percentage, and here is that theoretical probability. This is that theoretical probability. In 50 spins, they should get 10% each. Once you've done that, you can put yours in here. This is for you, Cusco, and this is here for you, Yuzma. And again, I want you guys to make 3 statements about each experiment. 3 statements about each experiment. What are you noticing that happened in each of those experiments?